Hey, if you are smarter than 5th grade, put the correct answer in the comment. Having said that, let's solve it together. We begin with this parenthesis. 9 minus 5 will give us 4. In between this parenthesis and this number, we have multiplication. So bring down this minus 5, and then we have 10 here. Now, subtraction and multiplication. Multiplication has the higher priority. So we do this multiplication first. So we have minus 5 times 4. That will give us minus 20. And then we have 10 here. Then 10 minus 20 will give us minus 10. This is the correct answer. The correct answer is minus 10. Now, how do we know this answer is correct? According to order of operation, which is PEMDAS, this P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M and D stand for multiplication and division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. So for this, you evaluate from left to right. For this, you evaluate from left to right. So we are to begin with the parenthesis, and that was what we did. After that, we solve the multiplication. Finally, we can now do the subtraction. That is all for now.